A circular linked list is either a singly or a doubly linked list in which there are no null values. Here we can implement the circular linked list by making the use of singly or doubly linked list. In this case, I'm using the singly circular linked list. Um, the next of the last node contains the address of the first node, and in the case of the doubly links, the next of the last code contains the address of the first node, and the previous of the first node contains the address of the last node. The circular link list can be traversed from any node. Um, Circular linked lists are the required data structure when we want a list to be accessed in a circle or a loop. We can easily traverse to its previous node in a circular linked list, which is not possible in a singly linked list. Here we have the first node, the start of the node at the uh, points the next ones, and so on until the last element. The last node in our list uh, will now point to the first element in our list instead of the now. So instead of creating the new different cpp and.ts file, I included all the functions and classes inside the main, so it would be easy and trying to do differently than what I have been taught. So here is my node.cpp, node.ts. My make file is simple. So here is the constructor, here is the structure. This is one of my function, release memory. I have insert function, which is almost similar to the one we did before in the singly linked list, but here the last node will now point to the first node. We have a display function which iterates through traverse node. Mm, this displays the last element, both point to the same memory address, because the last location, when the node passes from first to last location, the last element and the node that moved from first to last have the same memory address. Here I have the remove function, which will delete, which is similar to the way we did before. So I try to include everything inside the main, and I have done the simple text here. Let me try to run the program. Let me run the make. Let's say .exe. So it runs successfully.